Butterfly nygmiini. Butterfly life cycle. Infancy. In spring, female butterflies mate with male butterflies in flight. When it's time to lay eggs, female butterflies place their eggs on plants' leaves or stems. Butterfly eggs stick very tightly to the place where they are placed, keeping them from falling to the ground. Monarch butterflies often release their eggs singly, dispersing their offspring across many plants. Some other species lay eggs together, and the eggs will live in clusters together in the early stages of their life cycle. Egg hatching time depends on the species and environmental factors, usually from 3–8 days. Some species lay eggs in winter, so they will hatch in the spring or summer of the following year. Larval. When the conditions in the egg meet the next stage, the larvae will break through the shell and emerge. In butterflies and moths, the larvae are called caterpillars. In most species, after emerging from the eggshell, their first meal is the eggshell. The eggshell contains many nutrients needed for the caterpillar to develop, and the caterpillar will then eat the host plant. In the caterpillar form, they must undergo many molts to reach the pupal form. Each time it molts, the caterpillar becomes larger and leaves behind a layer of skin. The caterpillar can stop eating while preparing to shed its skin. After shedding its skin, it has reached the second stage of caterpillar morphology. Normally, it will eat the skin to supplement protein and nutrients. In other species, the change in appearance is dramatic, and the caterpillars appear to be of a completely different kind. At this stage, caterpillars only eat, excrete, molt, eat, excrete, and molt until reaching the final stage to prepare to pupate. Once the caterpillar is ready to pupate, it wanders the host plant looking for a safe place to deposit. Once it has found a suitable site, the caterpillar produces a dense, thick, healthy skin and stains its final shell. Pupa. The pupal stage is the time when the internal transformation occurs most strongly. Traditionally, this phase has been called the resting phase, but insects do not rest at all. That is true. The pupa does not eat during this time, nor can it move. A gentle touch from a finger can cause it to fall to the ground. During the pupal stage, much of the caterpillar's body breaks down through a process called decomposition. These special groups of transformed cells have not yet been activated in the caterpillar stage, which now becomes the director for the body's reconstruction. These groups of cells, called histoblasts, begin the biochemical processes that transform the caterpillar structurally into a butterfly. Once the transformation within the chrysalis's body has been completed, the butterfly will be able to rest until the signal signaling the right time to emerge, changes in light or temperature, chemical signals, or even hormonal triggers can initiate the emergence of adults from chrysalis or cocoons. Stage for adulthood. Adult butterflies, also known as imago, emerge from the cuticle with a swollen abdomen and smeared wings. During the first few hours of emerging from its cover, the butterfly will pump blood into the veins in its wings to expand them. The products left over from the transformation process, called meconium, are excreted from the anus. Once its wings are dry and fully extended, the adult butterfly begins to fly in search of a mate. Female ovipositors lay their eggs on suitable host plants, and the butterfly's life cycle continues.